it says, these flights prove the inland areas to be featureless in character, with a dome 13,000 feet high at about latitude 80 degrees south, longitude 90 degrees east. Okay, I have no idea what that means. There seems to be only one definition for the word dome.
Omaha, Nebraska. This is facing mostly southeast. Bright light as if the sun is setting over there. If I go more east, there is a cloud over there that's got a bright light behind it. Main source of light, our sun, actually setting right here, due west. You see the funny, crazy clouds. This is the first time I've noticed this here. But if you look over here, these clouds to this side and this light right here almost signifies as if there's two light sources, which is crazy. Because there can't be.
Ou seja, a NASA afirma que o planeta Nibiru, o X7.
But if you look over here, so this is east, west. Okay, so this right here, this is northeast, mostly northeast. West, our actual source of our sun, you can see it going down. This is insane. I've never seen this before in my life. So this is the source of our light, and as you can see, it breaks, gets dark, and then you have that source of light, which is northeast. But over here, look at this. This is south. This is due south. How on a round Earth is it possible to have a refractional light like this with a break when the sun's setting over here to the west? Look, you can see the rays. See the rays of our sun going out. It's going away from our eye. Look at these clouds. So where is this light coming from? How is nobody noticing this of our sun setting? I mean, look at these clouds, and they look fake. I mean, this is crazy. Like, this is absolutely insane. There's rays coming out over here.
Hey YouTube, this is James LaFleur with the Impossible Channel. What if what Hillary Clinton was saying last year about breaking the dome ceiling, the glass ceiling, wasn't actually a joke, was actually she was talking about like we're trying to get the heck out of here, right? And then Trump won the election and no one actually knew what she was talking about, but I really guessed that it was a way of saying we were trying to get out of here, you know. Remember that back in 1958 they were throwing atomic bombs in the sky down in Antarctica. There's no reason for that. Operation High Jump, for example. So, what if, folks, we really do have a dome or some sort of protective layer? Okay, and what if that is what's making us think that we have two suns? Because they're chemtrailing and harping the sky all the time, right? Why would it be impossible for us to see the reflection of our own sun inside this dome, firmament, whatever, right? If we are full of chemtrails and harp, right? It is very possible that what we're seeing right now is the reflection of our own sun inside the firmament, right? This is very possible. I don't think that this is to be considered the 100% truth, but we gotta investigate into this. One of the things, this is really real, this is happening. Chemtrails, HARP, these are two things that are happening. You can clearly see that daily they're chemtrailing the sky. So on this video, these videos that were sent to us, they all put together, they all prove that there's something happening in the sky and we don't know what it is. We don't know what it is, folks. Another sun? Maybe indeed, but what about gravity? Didn't NASA tell us that gravity should, if another sun just shows up from out of nowhere and swings back to its place, right? And this is something that's happening a lot. So is gravity lie too? Why would, NASA faked and lied about gravity? Why? Okay, so if all of that is also a lie, then we come back to the dome firmament theory with the idea that we may be seeing a reflection of our own sun. Of course, this is just theory. Okay, if there's a mighty big possibility that there's a planet X out there, and there are other districts, other humans maybe coming in, this sun could be from another district, right? For some reason, they're swinging around, the suns are out of orbit, I don't know, right? You know that I know that your mama knows that the sun is setting in a different place, right? It's rising also in a very... The difference is very little, folks, but if you observe this your whole life, your entire life, you know that it's rising and it's heading in a different place, so... very difficult to explain these kind of things when NASA's kind of confusing us. The governments are trying to confuse us with half-truths. Thank you very much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you again.
Okay, I waited about 30 minutes so I can show you again. You see both suns right side by side. This is why you can't see it during the day, because as soon as the sun actually hits, about 7 o'clock in the morning, you won't be able to see that second sun again. Look at it. Look at that, baby. Proof. Full proof. 2 years I've been waiting on this. Oh, I can't believe it. Oh my God. It's just amazing. 2 years I've waited on this shot. 2 suns. I don't know why you can't see it with the naked eye. Well, I guess because you're looking at the sun, but wow, this is just amazing, guys. This is it. October 1st. That's the deadline. That's when it passes our sun. Hope you're ready.
And it says, these flights prove the inland areas to be featureless in character, with a dome 13,000 feet high at about latitude.
Here is Omaha, Nebraska.
80 degrees south, longitude 90 degrees east. Okay, I have no idea what that means. There seems to be only one definition for the word dome,